we're about to hit New York, and our New Jersey Turnpike toll was $48.70. We didn't even have enough cash, so they had to give us a slip so we could mail in the toll.
Drive through New York City, they said. Well, we had no choice because this is where Google Maps wanted to take us. This is honestly everything I thought New York would be.
Oh my God!
Alright guys, so we made it to Connecticut. We are at Bishop's Orchard Farm and Market. It's a little bit noisy off to the side because there's a road right next to us, but on the other side we're staying right next to the orchard, so that's really pretty. There's even a little farm area with some animals that we're going to go check out, and a grocery store with some local goods. So let's show you guys around. Hey, don't do that. Hey, you can't come outside because you run away. You don't behave.
So we're just now leaving Stony Creek Brewery. The beers were absolutely incredible, and Amanda was our server. She absolutely hooked it up, gave us some free stickers, and hooked it up some beers to go. So thank you, Amanda. Thank you, Stony Creek. We appreciate it.
So we got 2 small pizzas, which are a lot bigger than we were expecting. We got a margarita pizza, and then a spinach, gorgonzola, and mushroom pizza. They look so good. I wish you guys could smell everything here, like smell-o-vision, because it smells so good. So excited. Good morning. We are on the road again. We are actually heading to Rhode Island. We're gonna get to Rhode Island soon. We'll be in Newport near the coast and staying one night again. So we'll see you there. Alright guys, we made it to Rhode Island. We are staying near Newport, and we got parked, set up, tired out the dog because she can't come with us today, but we're gonna go check out the coast and check out some mansions, because apparently that's what you're supposed to do in this area, is look at some old mansions, I guess. So we're gonna find one to take you guys to, and yeah, let's go see the ocean. Let's go!
Right now, and it was built in 1892, and this is one of around 6 houses that the Vanderbilt family had. And so this thing is massive. It has 5,000 cubic feet of marble covering everything. Just take a look.
This room is filled with 22 karat gold everywhere. We could probably fit like 5 of our travel trailers in this room. Alright guys, we're back at the trailer. We had a pretty full day of checking out Newport. It was a lot of fun, but we didn't want to eat out anywhere in Rhode Island today. Just take a break from going out and eating, save a little money, and eat what we have inside. So we're gonna have a barbecue, grill up some steaks, got some potatoes and asparagus going. It's gonna be a good time. Hope you guys enjoyed exploring Newport with us.
Alpaca the bowl.
Whoopsie poopsie. Where are we? I know Rhode Island, but what is this place? Hope you enjoyed watching, and you're gonna have to cut that part.